Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to clean silver jewelry. This is a fast and easy method for cleaning silver jewelry just like this. And this will be a simple and straightforward tutorial, so let's get right into the video. What you'll need is the piece of silver jewelry that you want to clean. You're also going to need some toothpaste, a cleaning toothbrush, and then some water. It's actually very simple and straightforward. What you want to do is take a little bit of toothpaste and apply it to the toothbrush. Just like that. You don't need that much. You just need a little bit of the toothpaste, okay? Then you're going to take the silver jewelry. You're going to place it in your hand. You're going to take your toothpaste, and you're actually going to just scrub the silver jewelry with the toothpaste. You can actually wet the toothbrush a little bit just to give it some dilution so that you can move the toothpaste around, okay? You can also get the toothpaste in your hand and rub it around the silver jewelry like that. Okay, now please pay attention to how dirty that piece of silver jewelry was at the beginning of the video. If you don't remember, you can go back and check. And you'll see that with just a quick cleaning, it'll clean it up. And if you really want to clean off silver jewelry, you can do this for a much longer time and way more in depth. But the toothpaste just really works really well to clean the silver jewelry, as you can see right here. So I've sort of moved the toothpaste all around. Okay, I'm going to just dip my toothbrush in the water just to dilute it one more time. I'm scrubbing this like this. And if you're doing multiple pieces, you can do this, let's say, on a plate or in a pan of some sort. And you can just get a lot of toothpaste to do multiple pieces at once. I'm going to place my toothbrush to the side over there. This is a cleaning toothbrush. Once again, I just use this toothbrush solely for cleaning things, okay? So this is like a specific one that I use for cleaning things only. I'm going to take my silver jewelry, and you can see how dirty that toothpaste is in my hand. I'm going to soak it in the water, just move it around a little bit, okay? That's to rinse off the toothpaste. I'll clean my hand later, all right? And now I'm going to pull it out, and as you can see, it is absolutely spotless. Just that little bit of cleaning made this much of a difference. It looks absolutely incredible. You can see, and if the jewelry was even worse to begin with, I could just scrub it a little bit more, but look at this. Look, it looks incredible with just a little bit of cleaning and rinsing. And it's literally that simple. That is how to clean silver jewelry fast and easily, really easily. A simple tutorial with a simple method. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.